Welcome to viaSocket. Today we are going to see how a new lead created in Sangam CRM will automatically show in Google Sheet. Getting started with viaSocket is super easy. Just head over to the website and sign in using your Google account. Once you logged in, click on Create New Flow to get started. First of all, in Sangam CRM, create the lead, fill out the first name, last name, designation, and email. You may also fill the necessary credentials. After that, save it. Your lead is created successfully. Now come back in viaSocket. Select the trigger event. Select Sangam CRM as the trigger event. Now select Lead Updated. Select the fields, that is first name, last name, email, and designation. Now test it. Here are the responses. Now create. After this trigger event, now move towards the action event. Now select Google Sheet. Here is the sample Google Sheet I have made. Now select Google Sheet. Select Add New Row. Now select a connection. Now choose the sheet. Now fill out the column names. First name, last name, email ID, and the designation. Now test it. Now click on Create. Now test the entire flow. Now it will directly update the Google Sheet. Now come back and click on Publish Changes. Click on Yes. Now the flow is published. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.